Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is the technical update for the S&P 500 from today, 17th of March. It's already now the 18th here. So, I think I have changed a little bit to the labeling here, but it's not necessarily that relevant. I think that we've done in the C wave, waves 1, 2, 3. We are in the fourth probably right now, with another sell-off to the downside. I think we have done a slightly irregular WXY structure here. We had a 3-wave move up, 3-wave move down, and now a 3-wave move up. So this is a zigzag pattern here. So this could be a double zigzag, and it would form a Y wave. So it's a WXY structure, because this move cannot be counted as a clear impulse in my view. Whoops, that one here. Hello. That move cannot be counted as a clear impulse, and that's why I have to label it as a corrective WXY structure to the upside. Right now, so when I measure the length of the Y wave, I want to minimally reach the 1.382, which we got hit here directly on the nose at 5,759. Next target above is the 1618 extension at 5,792, and we exceeded already the 38.2 retracement level. The wave 4 can go higher, so that's the typical target area between the 38.2 Fib retracement and the 50% retracement level of wave 3, and in between we have these two extension targets. So this could be a good target possibly where we should find resistance and then sell off to the downside. The yellow scenario would indicate, which is the alternate scenario right now, would indicate that we have a slightly wider ABC structure that would say we have an A wave, B wave, and a C wave. So the white scenarios, in my view, limited right now till the 50% here at 5,805. The yellow scenario, in the yellow scenario, the price could move higher, and that would be a B wave or an X wave, and this would then be labeled in the yellow scenario as a WXY structure, where the Y wave in itself is a 3-wave move. But until we don't have that confirmation, that we have to just give the market here the space really to let it decide what it want to do. But first resistance area and first target area is the orange, or let me just make that in white because we are following the white count here. That would be the first scenario. The second scenario, the price moves a little bit higher, but also from here, I do expect a correction, okay? And that's the important part right now. Do we get an impulse to the downside, or does that move to the downside stay corrective, hold a higher low here, for example? Then this would be the A wave, this would be the B wave, and this would be then the C wave of the yellow scenario, okay? Just these two comparisons to each other, but for now, we really have to give the market the time to decide what it want to do. But we can focus on these two areas. And let us just take a look at the volume profile, if we can see something here. Yeah, okay, so on the 1 hour, we just now broke back above. Oh no, we closed below value area low, which is the the green line, colorblind man, sorry, the blue line here at 5,751. We got rejected here, and that was also slightly above the 1.382 Fib extension level. If we now, for example, come a little bit down here, retest this volume node, that starts at 5,682. But I think probably we have one more swoop higher here, and then probably retest this volume area. And if we hold that higher low, which I was talking about, we could be moving to the upside in the yellow scenario, okay? That would be interesting how this is developing, but if we get an impulse forming to the downside, we could be sure that our wave 4 is completed in white. If we get another higher low and then come back higher, this would be the yellow scenario then, okay? But as soon as I see that, I'm going to talk about that in my update videos. But for now, we have to first of all focus on either a top in play in this area or the market wants to go higher. But I think a pullback here is due. And if it stays corrective in 3 waves, we could expect one more high in the yellow scenario. Okay, so that's the update for today. So really nothing else to add. If you have any questions, as always, you can leave a comment, ask me anything, or yeah. And if you like the video, thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot, guys. Have a nice evening. Bye bye. Ciao, ciao.